In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress blog the manual way. Now, although today there are a lot of web hosting services and other services that allow you to install WordPress blogs automatically, it's always important to know how to do this stuff manually, just in case something goes wrong, or just in case your web hosting doesn't really offer you any type of auto installation script. So the first thing you need to do is go to wordpress.org. Then click on download WordPress, and here you can find some information about the latest version of WordPress. Now you just need to click download WordPress and the download process should begin. So it's basically a zip file that you need to save to your computer. Now while this zip file is downloading, I'm going to show you the next most important step in installing a WordPress blog manually. Every WordPress blog runs on a database, and this database is called the MySQL database. So to create a new MySQL database, you need to log in to your cPanel account, and this is how the cPanel account looks like. So if you do not have a cPanel account, make sure you ask your web host if they can provide you with a cPanel account. When you scroll down, under databases, you should see a link for MySQL database wizard. Now click on that link, and the first thing the wizard will ask you to do is to create a database, and therefore you have to give your new database a name. So in most cases you would want to call this as WordPress or blog or whatever it is that's easy to remember. Now take note of the prefix that appears here. This prefix is actually your cPanel user ID followed by an underscore. Okay, so you need to remember this prefix later on in step 2 when we are going to configure the WordPress blog. Click on next. Now every database needs to have a user, so you can create a new user for your database. In most cases you just want to call it as admin and give it a password as well. Next, click on create user. In the final step, you'll be asked to assign certain privileges to this user that you just created. Now since you are the owner of the WordPress blog, you want to select all privileges and click on next step. Okay, so your database has been added and my WordPress blog zip file has also finished downloading. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to upload these files to your web hosting account and to configure your new WordPress blog.